Well, here's the fire that you want. The type of results you're looking for is the fire just cooking easy. I added a few extra small ones to the top to help add a little extra fuel to the fire. Alright, let's touch base. Have you ever had a problem starting a campfire? You didn't know how to get it started? You tried certain ways and seemed like it took like hours? Are you the type of person that shouldn't be doing this, but using gasoline or lighter fluid? Well, I'm going to show you an easy, effective way to get your fire started with no problem. So enjoy the video. Alright folks, I'm going to talk you through. I'm not going to light it because I want you to see the results for yourself. But what you're going to need a different variety of sizes of woods. You're going to need some medium sizes, some thick ones, and some small. You're also going to need some fire. Now that's a fire. And for $19.95, one of these trusty toilet paper rolls. Oh, the mighty toilet paper roll. But save that, and also, I'm going to throw a plug in. Red Wigglers will eat that. But on that note, let's get back to the fire. Alright, so what you do, it's going to be the reverse TP method. You start off with the small logs on the bottom, your small pieces of wood, and you lay it like that way. Put a few down. You got the toilet paper roll, and also with the trusty toilet paper roll, get your dryer lint and put it in there because that will be a great fire starter. You set that down as well. Then next you get your larger size logs, the mediums, and you lay them the opposite direction. And that way it allows air to get in there. And then the final method is the large wood. And you lay them this way. Let's put this here. And this method here, the reverse TP method for your fire, will get this fire started the first time. You won't have to use gasoline. You won't have to use lighter fluid. You just have to use your toilet paper roll and the logs that you have in there. I want you to try this out and you leave feedback. So once again, I just want to say thank you for your time. I want to thank my helpers for their time to help me start the fire. Yep. And as always, guys, like the video, share, and have a great day. Bye.